everyone, another video, but something happened to our audio and some of the video, so I have to brief you on what's going on. So we came up Halloween weekend mainly so the kids can go trick-or-treating in town, and because it happened to be a weekend that it was raining. And we don't want to burn unless it's actively raining, because we do get wind gusts, and being that we can't be there 24/7 after to make sure everything's out, we need to make sure that we are extra safe. So that being said, the beginning of the video shows John filling the hole back for that big tree stump. The part of the footage that we lost was him filling it back in to use our new to us, stump grinder. So he did get that ground with the stump grinder, but all that footage has been lost. But it's showing you filling it in, and next time we go up, I will record where that area was so you can see. Secondly, we did a small burn pile, just one, because we were only going to be there for a few days. And even this one took 3 days to fully stop smoldering. And that was with it actively raining most of the time. So here you go, and thanks for watching. This will be a quick one.
Let's pull up ties and take a trip to someplace new. I don't care where, as long as I have you. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. My love for you's insane, but I wouldn't change a thing unless you wanted me to. I'd do anything for you. Waking up next to you is all I ever want to do. Baby, we can last forever. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. And my love for you's insane, but I wouldn't change a thing unless you wanted me to. I'd do anything.
It rained the entire week before, so everything was so wet. It took forever to start this burn pile, but eventually we got it burning. Don't worry, everyone. Everything we were burning was no good. We couldn't build with it. We couldn't even bring it home to burn it because everything was so dead and dry that we wouldn't have been able to split it. And a lot of it was just brush. So it wasn't wasteful. We have enough trees to last us.
Just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. Sitting I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down.
Hey, how come when the kids do it, the tree doesn't do this?
In this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. Nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars.
That is one strong tree.